This is to encourage the care of orphans within families rather than foster care. Second, to provide inflationary increases to permanent social grants. For 2022-23 fiscal year, the old age, war veterans, disability and care dependence grants will increase by 90 rand in October.
Kubekwe eceleni imali engu-44 billion ngesibonelelo se-COVID-19 ukuletha ukuphefumula kubantu izinyanga eziyishumi nambili. Lona ngumzamo wokusiza labo bantu abangasebenzi kuleli.
Look, I think if you just look in terms of social grant, it's really just an inflation adjustment. Remember, in the last budget, there wasn't much of an increase, so this tries to catch up to that increase and provide an inflation adjustment to them.
Hulumeni wabele izinhlelo zokwakha amathuba emisebenzi imali engu-76 million.
We don't see much in the budget that's going to help reduce that. The presidential employment program, which we have supported, we were led to believe is going to create about 800,000 jobs like last year. It's been reduced to creating about 500,000 jobs. But we don't see much on the policy front, on the stimulus front, which is really going to reduce unemployment from an untenable level of 46%.
Imali engu-246 million inikezwe uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi kanye nesikhungo sezobunhloli.
Economic reconstruction and recovery program remains essential to growth. We are accelerating implementation of critical structural reforms contained in the economic recovery and reconstruction program, particularly electricity, rail, ports, telecommunication.
Kusenjalo, umnyango wezemfundo kanye nowezempilo lemnyango ithole imali engu-15.6 billion no-24.6 billion. Uhulumeni uthi lokhu kusiza leminyango ukuzama ukwehlisa ingcindezi lemnyango ebenayo ngesikhathi kuqubuka i-COVID-19. Umnyango wezempilo uzophinde unikwe enye imali ukuxhasa abaqeqeshelwe umsebenzi wezokulashwa odokotela kanjalo nomkhankaso ukugqugquzela ukugoma. Ngesikhathi umnyango wezemfundo uzothola enye imali ukweseka umnyango wemfundo esisekelo iNSFAS, umnyango wemfundo ephakeme ezobuciko kanye nezamasiko.